Hello friends, my name is and as the head of Sharekhan Classroom, I have designed lots of online training programs for our customers on various aspects of markets. Today I am here to talk to you as to how can you customize Trade Tiger as per your preference. So let's go ahead. So let us look at various ways of customizing Trade Tiger by visiting some select menu bar options. Let's look at the home screen. You can select the theme for the entire Trade Tiger and you can select it from these 4 colors available. We are currently using the black one. You can also select languages from the 5 language options available in front of you. And very importantly, you can look at the layout. Now, what if I want to save the entire screen's layout for Trade Tiger so that whenever I reopen Trade Tiger, the exact same screen opens up and I don't have to customize it every time. So I can just save the current layout, give a particular name, let us say my screen, and save it. Now next time I can just go to the home section, select the screen which I have saved earlier and say load it. Similarly, you can also remove a particular screen if you want. Alternatively, we can also customize by using the settings tab of Trade Tiger. So we go to settings, click on user settings, and we can use the inactive minutes as a safety feature. Now what it does, if we put 10 minutes of inactive minutes here, what it will do is, if I don't do anything on Trade Tiger for 10 minutes, it will automatically lock my account on the system. And it will only be unlocked once I put all my login credentials once again. We can also use the beep on trade feature, which will alert me whenever any of the order gets executed by giving a small beep on this particular system. Also, in the settings tab, we can go to the shortcuts option. There are various shortcuts which are available on Trade Tiger, friends, and you can even customize them by looking at this particular screen. So like a shortcut for placing a buy order is the function key 1. But if you want to change it, you can click on it and let us say make it the alphabet B, which stands for buying. And when you say save all, it will save this and you can use B as a shortcut key for buying a particular script or a particular security. Friends, the help section allows us to know something more about Trade Tiger. So let's go to it. The first option is Fill It, Say It. Now, this feature allows you to appreciate us, to send some queries or even some complaints to our Trade Tiger team. Now let me show you one of it. If I click on appreciation, if you like one of the Trade Tiger features, you can rate it with number of stars you want to. You can select the category for it. You can also let us know what you want to comment regarding the same. It gives you the account details which you have with us. You can submit, and even before that, you can select and submit the screenshot on the screen which you are on the Trade Tiger. Same fashion, you can do that with the enhancement new feature suggestion or also some queries or complaints which you have regarding Trade Tiger. You can also use our live chat button so that you can have a live chat with our customer service executive. The next one is the Trade Tiger remote support. If you want to have any kind of a technical support from our IT team, you can always click on the Trade Tiger remote support and that should be done. Last but not the least, the demo center. If you click on view demo section, it will take you to a web-based version of it. You can click on find out more. It gets scrolled down, select view demo to check various demos which are available on Trade Tiger, which are there on our website. That is all, friends, regarding various customization features of Trade Tiger. If you have something else in your mind, don't worry and please check our other videos on Trade Tiger tutorial. Thank you so much.